Hi guys, face it towards the slime. We're seeing how slime looks in all these. Oh, that looks really cool in this. Okay, so pause the video quick. Okay, face it towards me and then pause it. Okay. Okay, we got confused for a second. I can pause it. She never told me. Okay, now face it towards the slime. We're seeing how slime looks in X-ray vision.
This is negative.
Negative, whatever. It looks like X-ray. Really good. Like, there's little beads in it. The little beads look like black spots. Little gems, whatever. Soon we are going to the lake, so this video will be
Done now.
no 20 minutes long.
That's it.
No!
Oh.
Sorry. This is really oh my goodness. Not that good of a slime. It's sticky. You can see my hands. It's an X-ray, so you can't really. Okay, so I'm getting it off my hands right now. Wait, look it. Oh! Zoom in. Zoom in. No, don't. Okay. Yeah, zoom in all the way. Okay, there, yeah. Now move your hands. That's good. I will give this away on her channel.
What if you're not here?
Oh my god.
What if you're not here?
Give the slime away on my channel because it's a fail. No. Okay, this is gonna be like the screenshot thing or whatever.
Okay, now could this be done?
No, at 10 minutes. Because that's when Felicia will be here probably. Oh, that's not gonna be the screenshot thing. Okay, so
Oh, no. Play Roblox.
this screenshot. Okay.
I don't know what a screenshot means.
You don't know how to screen. Here, I'll teach you how to screen. Okay, so she does not know how to screenshot, I found out. So she did not screenshot me. We'll just find out another way. Should we make a bubble out of it? Do you have a straw?
No.
You sure?
Sure. Now could the video be done?
Yeah, 10 minutes. Oh, I almost made you press it. Okay, don't press it. Seriously, don't. I'll give you a candy if you can make it 10. Okay.
Could I just be done?
So stretchy, so good. And remember, when it gets to 5 minutes, we're going to end it. No, put it up. I am pretty much taking over like every day, pretty much, of a life.
This is
Okay.
a bun.
1 more minute and this one. Because she does not want to wait. Move your elbow. It just got stuck to your elbow. Okay. So this is the fail. I actually just made it today. So it was a huge fail. Guess what this one was made from?
What?
We did a YouTube video of making slime in Walmart challenge. When we did the 24-hour challenge, we did that, and then we were like, let's just buy some ingredients and make slime and do the slime in the store challenge. So that's what this slime is from.
24-hour
Challenge.
a day?
Yeah, we stay in there overnight. And then after that, we made slime when it opened. In there. then yeah, that's on my channel. Go check my channel out, McKenna Hill. And my brother, he made it too. I helped him edit it, and I was also in the video. Go check that out. His is longer than mine because he recorded most of the time, except for when we're sleeping because he picks his nose when he sleeps. No, he doesn't. And he is 10 years old. No, he's 11.
Why is your hair white?
I don't know. Probably because I dyed it. Like, you see where the...
Why is the top of your head bleeding?
my head is bleeding.
Why is that so puffy?
Okay, so this is the fail slime. Oh, it's because we got in trouble by work for this, so that's why it's a fail. I did not get to add the laundry detergent. But I added eye contact solution. That was a good
Eye contact?
eye contact solution. Contact solution. Not eye contacts. Contact solution. Hey, stop. Contact solution. So
Okay, it's been 5 minutes.
no. 1 and 7 minutes because I'm not gonna talk. See, it's really good and stretchy, but
You better do it fast thing because I'm about to turn it off on 10.
okay. Wait. Let me say
No.
subscribe to my channel. It's
Already said
McKenna Hill. McKenna Hill, not Hills. Just McKenna Hill. And yeah, bye. Love you. No, I don't. Yes, I do. If you're a fan of me, I love you. So bye. Subscribe to me, not her. She doesn't want to notice subscribers. And like all my videos if you like them. So bye. Comment on all my videos too. Bye. Oh, and I am now a singer. So bye. Okay, you can end it now. Bye. Bye.
I ended it.
No, you didn't. You gotta edit.
It's
right
7
there.
minutes.
Edit right.
I know.